Alright, so what we're going to do now, or I'm just going to show you anyway, is how to do this whole trace and fill it in with colour on Photoshop. So first off, I've opened up an example image in Photoshop. I've already converted it to a PNG. So originally it was a PDF. I went into preview, exported it as a PNG, and I've opened it up in Photoshop. So the beauty of this particular image is that most of the lines are quite solid and it should give me a reasonably good line. Most of the work you're going to do is under image. I'll just get up layers as well so we can see that on the side. Alright, so I'm going to go up to image. I'm going to adjust. Now I want to make sure I'm on RGB, so I go to mode, RGB, 8 bits per channel is probably fine. Go to adjustment. Now there are some things I can do. If you've got dirty paper or you've got smudges and stuff like that, you'll probably find that you can do brightness and contrast. It'll get rid of a lot. So we'll just go through these ones here, are the ones that we want to look at the most. So if I just go to levels, this little dialog box pops up and you'll see that there's some stuff here and there's a little bit on the right edge here. If I move this to the right, you notice that it really darkens up the lines. Okay, and by doing that, I also get to see little outliers, things that are in the way that shouldn't be there. Like there's a dot there, there's a dot underneath as well. So I can sit with that and go, yeah, I'm okay with that. I can play around with the greys a little bit, with midtones. So yeah, maybe I'm happy with that and just go okay. I can also do the same thing with curves. Allow you to play around with it a little bit. Now, because I've already played around with it and tidied it up, it might not do so much here. But what I might do is take the previous undo levels. I'll do this as curves. See if we can get the similar sort of result. And we're playing around with it a little bit. I'm kind of happy with that. There are settings I can play with, but this is just a quick intro. I go back to levels again, and I'm going to try and do this. And I think I like that line there a bit more. I'm kind of happy with that. And then I can, if I want to, do auto contrast. I perhaps should have done these at the beginning, but it doesn't matter. Auto tone. And that pretty much tidies it up. I can then go and just fill her up with colour if I like. I've got my paint bucket, get some colour, and then just go nuts. I'm filling it up with colour. Now my outside colour, I can still see these little dots here. So I might just want to get my eraser, or an eraser, rubber, whatever you call it. Click on it, get rid of them. Then I just might want to fill it with colour, get my eyedropper. Colours change down here. I can get my little paintbrush and I can just sort of go over the top of that. Or I can just get the paint bucket. Do the same down here. Done. And then I just work my way through putting in whatever colour I like. And that's essentially the Photoshop version of it. And you'll notice that the quality of the lines is slightly different to the quality of the lines that we did in Illustrator. And then once you're done, this file, you can export it as a quick PNG. It's already a PNG, but you might want to save it as something else. Right? But you can basically save that, and that's what you upload. And that's how you want to do the colouring of your doodle inside Photoshop. So I'll stop.